Here are 5 important truths for feeling good and having a mentally fresh life. With bonus, welcome to the Meditation for Achievement channel. Myself, Dr. Abhilasha Sharma. Listen carefully. Here are 6 important truths. 1. You are not your thoughts. Your thoughts are just thoughts, and they do not define you. You can choose to focus on positive thoughts and let go of negative ones. 2. The past is over. You cannot change the past, so there is no point dwelling on it. Focus on the present moment and what you can do to make the future better. 3. Comparison is the thief of joy. Stop comparing yourself to others and focus on your own unique journey. Everyone is different, and that's what makes life so interesting. For it's okay to not be okay. Everyone experiences ups and downs. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you're struggling. 5. Gratitude is a powerful emotion. Take some time each day to focus on the things you're grateful for. This will help you appreciate the good things in your life and boost your mood. And 6. With bonus, take care of your physical and mental health. Eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep are essential for feeling your best. These are just a few of the many truths that can help you live a happier and healthier life. Remember, it's all about your mindset. Choose to focus on the positive, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Here are some additional tips for feeling good and having a mentally fresh life. Spend time in nature, get enough sleep, practice relaxation techniques, such as yoga or meditation, spend time with loved ones. Do things that make you happy, give back to others. By following these tips, you can create a life that is full of joy, peace, and happiness. Thanks for watching.